Say hi, Daryl. Say hi.
Hi.
What a good catch.
John?
Nick.
Whoops. That's what happened, John.
Jacob. Jacob. Say hi.
Hi, Daryl. Hi, Daryl. Hi, Daryl. What's up?
Look how big we are, Daryl.
I'm bigger than him.
Watch me catch.
That one is for me. John, I need my
Those for John. Don't anybody go for it. Okay, John. Oh, you just missed it.
Good try.
I'm losing it.
Jacob. Jacob, you go get his, okay, while he plays, and then you can trade. No, you get it and give it to him, and then you can trade.
But are you too little? No.
Yours is too little for you?
Yeah. No, it isn't, John.
Are you getting a baseball glove or a bicycle for grading day?
I don't know what a baseball glove. Get him the baseball. Yes, I am.